Have you ever wondered why losing fat after 50 feels so much harder than it used to be? Why your energy dips and building muscle feels almost impossible? Maybe you've tried walking more, cutting carbs, or even following strict diets that feel exhausting. And yet, the results come slowly, if at all. Well, today, I'm about to reveal the number one most powerful, natural, and science backed way to burn fat and build muscle after 50. A method orthopedic surgeons, geriatric specialists, and fitness scientists all agree on. No gym, no heavy weights, no extreme diets. Just your body, your breath, and a simple routine you can do at home. Most seniors don't struggle with fat loss because of bad habits. They struggle because their bodies change in ways nobody talks about. Muscles shrink, metabolism slows, hormones shift, and everyday stress adds up. But your body is not broken. You're not too old. And you absolutely can burn fat, build muscle, and feel strong again, naturally. The problem is that most people are doing the wrong kind of exercise. Walking is great, but it's not enough. Light dumbbells help, but not nearly as much as you think. Stretching keeps you mobile, but it doesn't build strength. So what does work after 50? What melts fat? What rebuilds muscle? What keeps your bones strong? What protects your joints? What keeps your metabolism young? The answer might surprise you. The number one way to burn fat and build muscle after 50? Controlled body weight resistance training. Not bodybuilding, not powerlifting, not intense gym workouts, but slow, controlled, low-impact body weight strength movements. The kind of simple, natural exercises humans have used for thousands of years, before gyms even existed. Why body weight training? Because after 50, your body doesn't need more stress. It needs better stress. The kind of stress that tells your muscles, wake up, get stronger, burn fuel, stay alive. And body weight training is the perfect signal. It builds strength without damaging joints. It burns fat without raising stress hormones. It improves balance without creating injury risk. And it activates deep muscles your brain stopped using years ago. Now, here's what makes this method powerful. When you build muscle, even a little, your metabolism rises naturally. When your metabolism rises, your body burns more calories at rest. Your insulin becomes more stable. Your appetite becomes more predictable. And fat loss happens without forcing it. And when paired with slow, controlled movements, you protect your joints, spine, knees, and hips. That's why surgeons recommend these exercises to patients in their 50s, 60s, 70s, and even 80s. Because they work. Naturally, safely, powerfully. Let me break down exactly what happens when you use this method the right way. Why body weight training works better after 50. Around age 50, you start losing muscle mass at a rate of 1 to 2% per year. After 60, it speeds up. This is called sarcopenia, age-related muscle loss. Most people don't even notice it until it's gone. You sit more, you move less. Your muscles weaken quietly. Then one day, you realize climbing stairs feels harder. Standing up takes more effort. Your belly sticks out more. Your arms feel soft. Your balance feels unsteady. It's not aging, it's muscle loss. But here's the good news. You can reverse that process, at any age. How? By sending your muscles the right type of signals. Slow tension, controlled resistance, full range movement, safe muscle activation, low impact strength, consistent engagement. Walking doesn't send that signal. Stretching doesn't send that signal. Cardio doesn't send that signal. Even many gym machines don't send the right signal because they remove stabilizing muscles. But body weight resistance training sends the exact message your body needs. Build muscle, burn fat, stay young. Let me show you the 3 core movements that make this method so effective. Exercise 1, the slow squat, the metabolism reactivator. This is not a gym squat, not heavy, not fast, not deep. This is a controlled, joint-friendly movement that wakes up every major muscle group. Thighs, glutes, hips, core, lower back. Here's how to do it safely. Step 1. Stand tall behind a chair, feet shoulder width apart. Step 2. Lower slowly, push your hips back, bend your knees slightly, only go as low as you feel comfortable. Step 3. Pause for 1 second. Feel your legs working, not your knees, your muscles. Step 4. Stand up slowly, Push through your heels. Tighten your core as you rise. Goal, 8 to 12 slow reps, 2 to 3 sets. Why this burns fat? Because your legs are the largest muscle group in your body. When you strengthen them, your metabolism rises, even when you're sitting on the couch. One study found that strengthening the legs increases calorie burn for up to 48 hours after the workout. Walking doesn't do that. Light weights rarely do that. Slow squats do. Exercise 2. The wall push-up. Upper body power without strain. Push-ups are one of the most effective muscle-building movements on earth, but most seniors avoid them because they seem too hard. So we modify them safely. A wall push-up builds arm strength, chest strength, shoulder stability, core activation, without lying on the floor, without hurting your wrists, without heavy pressure on your shoulders. Here's how. Step 1. Stand at arm's length from a wall, hands flat at chest height. Step 2. Lean forward slowly, let your elbows bend naturally. Step 3. Pause at the wall, feel your chest and arms support your weight. Step 4. Push back slowly, keep your heels on the ground, tighten your belly slightly. Goal, 10 to 15 reps, 2 to 3 sets. This builds real upper body strength, the kind you need for lifting groceries, pushing yourself up, opening jars, preventing shoulder injuries. You don't need push-up perfection. You need controlled movement, and that builds muscle naturally. Exercise 3. The standing leg lift, the fat-burning balance builder. This is the secret weapon of fat loss after 50. Why? Because it activates your glutes, the most important fat-burning muscle group in the entire body. Strong glutes mean better balance, less back pain, stronger hips, improved walking, better posture, and a faster metabolism. Here's how. Step 1. Hold the back of a chair. Stand tall. Step 2. Lift one leg slowly to the side. Keep your toe facing forward. Step 3. Pause for 1 second. Feel the outside of your hip working. Step 4. Lower slowly. Repeat on both sides. Goal, 12 to 15 reps per leg, 2 to 3 sets. This simple move turns on the exact muscles that shut down with age. The muscles responsible for balance, stability, walking speed, and fat burning. When these muscles engage, your entire metabolism speeds up. The hidden benefit? Muscle keeps you young. Most people think fat loss is all about cardio, dieting, calorie cutting. But after 50, fat loss is all about muscle preservation. Because when you lose muscle, your metabolism slows, your strength fades, your posture collapses, your hormone balance shifts, and fat becomes harder to burn. But when you build muscle, even just a little, everything changes. You burn more calories naturally. You have more energy. Your joints feel better. Your insulin levels stabilize. You sleep deeper. You stay younger. That's why body weight resistance training is the #1 method for seniors. It doesn't force fat loss. It naturally creates the conditions for fat loss. Your body does the work automatically. How to structure your weekly routine. Here's the surgeon-approved routine. 3 days per week, strength days, slow squat, wall push-up, standing leg lift. Repeat the circuit twice, 2 days per week. Light movement. Gentle walking, stretching, mobility drills. 2 days per week, rest. This blend is perfect for muscle growth, fat burning, hormone balance, joint health, mobility, longevity. This is the routine that seniors stick to because it's simple, it's gentle, it's safe, and it works fast. The secret ingredient, slow tempo training. Here's something most people overlook. Slow movements build more muscle and burn more fat. Why? Because slow repetitions increase time under tension, forcing your muscles to work harder, even without weight. That means better strength, better stability, more muscle, more calorie burn, more control. And it protects your joints by reducing impact. Every exercise becomes safer and more effective. Slow is powerful. Slow builds muscle. Slow burns fat. Success story, meet George. Age 72. George spent years trying to lose weight. He walked 5 kilometers every morning. He ate clean. He tried light weights. Nothing worked. His doctor told him, "You don't need to move more. You need to move smarter." He gave George a simple body weight routine, the same one you're learning now. At first, George felt silly. It looked too easy. But 2 weeks in, his legs felt stronger. He stood up easier. His posture improved. He could carry heavier groceries. After 1 month, his belly shrank. His energy increased. His clothes fit better. After 3 months, George had lost 22 pounds of fat and gained noticeable muscle without a gym. He told his doctor, "I didn't diet. I didn't starve. I just woke up my muscles." That's the magic of this method. If you're over 50, remember this. You don't need extreme workouts. You don't need impossible diets. You don't need heavy weights. You don't need long cardio sessions. You need controlled movement, slow resistance, muscle activation, proper posture, consistency, safety, confidence. Your body isn't done. Your metabolism isn't dead. Your strength isn't lost. It's simply dormant, waiting, ready to wake up. And when you introduce the right kind of exercise, gentle resistance, your body responds immediately. If this video helped you, tap the like button. It truly supports this channel. Share it with someone who wants to feel stronger and healthier after 50. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Senior-friendly workouts, safe exercise routines, mobility tips, fat-burning guidance, muscle-building strategies, and science-based senior wellness. Because the future is brighter than you think. Your strongest years can still be ahead of you. And every day you have the chance to become stronger, lighter, healthier, and more confident. One slow movement at a time, one breath at a time, one step at a time, your body can change. And it starts today. Smart.